Good day, everyone. This is Excel Enigma, your host Al. Today we'll be covering the QR codes in Excel and barcodes. So let's get right to it. Here in my example, I listed three websites for which I want the equivalent QR code. So there's a specific formula that allows me to get that QR code image right away. So if I put in the formula for you, and I can drag and drop it to the other websites, and that's it. Simple as that. If you actually scan the QR code, it will direct you to Rogers, on line 6 to Bell, line 7 to eBay. So uh, if we look at the formula, just for your information, here we're requesting the image through the API service of a QR code of the website in A5, which is my cell. And I'm asking the size of 150 by 150. Obviously, you can change the size, but always advise that you have to select at least a size that is readable to be able to read it easily by your devices. But for example, for Bell, I could select 100 by 100 if I want, and you'll see that it will get slightly smaller and so on. So this QR code API, it's a free service. It's by GoQRMe. It's owned by Tech IT, so I use it for at work. For example, we need sometimes to generate the QR codes for the manuals that we need to print for a given product, and the QR codes allowed us to automate that in the production line, and it adds to efficiency to our process. So I assume if you're watching this video, you're looking for QR codes for your specific needs. Definitely, usually it adds efficiency. If we move on to the barcode is also an interesting application. Let's just jump right into it. For example, I'm gonna create three product, ABC, DEF, and HHK, whatever. Let's say the code of ABC is 8989 asterisk asterisk AB. The other one, 4 digit as well, asterisk 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 CC. Let's say all the products in the company follow the same logic. Uh, they're always composed of 4 digit, asterisks, and two letters. So here we want to generate the barcode. So there's an easy formula. Actually, the newer version of Excel allows us also to use the barcode code 128, which allows for special characters. So if we start here, the formula is quite simple. First of all, I'm just going to put Arial here to show you. So if I start here, equal asterisk, then we put our cell, the actual code of our cell, asterisk, this, this, this. This is the actual code. This is the actual barcode. Now there's a special font in Excel that simply transforms this to a barcode. I mean, it's really a no-brainer. You come here on the top left to the font, put Libre barcode 128, and here you go. Simple as that. Barcode that you can scan and that you can use. Simple as that. And the 128 actually allows you to put in some special characters that the barcode will adjust to. For example, if I would add dash, whatever, dot, it will still work. So why people use barcodes? I mean, it's an easy way to scanning product codes into inventory spreadsheets, depending on the type of layout you have. It's a really cheap solution. Sometimes you can do a cross-check control. Let's say you have a production to do, and you have to scan all the components of a given product, and there's a cross-check you can do that once all the components are scanned, then you can start your production. So the actual barcode here, it's quite useful depending on the setup you need to do. So that's pretty much it for today. I hope you liked this. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you have easier ways or better ways of generating barcode or QR codes. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.